Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So with the weather cooling down and the holiday season coming up, I think this is the best time of year to have a cozy night in. So I'm going to show you some fun DIYs and ideas so you could have an amazing night in. Today's video is sponsored by Brach. Some of my all-time best childhood memories were around the holiday times, being with family and having some of my favorite Brach's treats like candy corn and peppermints, and that tradition has continued to this day. Our current family favorite are the peanut clusters. These are so good. Ryan and I are both obsessed with anything chocolate and peanuts. So this is the perfect balance of salty and sweet. The chocolate is super creamy, it melts in your mouth, and then there's a little crunchy bits of peanuts inside, and I just cannot get enough of these. So we make sure to always have these out during our family nights. They go very fast around here. These are my obsession, so you guys have to try them. The link is in the description box, and you can see all the different types of Brach's candy and where you could find them near you. We're starting off with a DIY family movie night. The first step is to get some matching or coordinating PJs. I can't explain why, but wearing matching outfits just makes everything better and more fun. Carter, who's your best friend?
Daddy's best friend.
Oh! Who else is your best friend?
Mommy.
Wow, that's the first time you ever said Daddy. Next up, we have to get our snacks in order. So we have our Brach's peanut clusters out, and we're also making a DIY popcorn bar. So it's actually really easy to make your own fresh popcorn, and it tastes so much better. It's more fluffy, and you get to control all of the seasoning on it. So to make this, all you have to do is coat the bottom of a large pot with olive oil, and then put one layer of popcorn kernels on the bottom. Turn the heat to medium, cover the pot, and wait a few minutes, and you'll hear them pop away. Once they stop popping, they're totally done. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Then is the fun part where you get to put together some of your favorite toppings. I have this savory seasoning that I make. I put some everything but the bagel seasoning, seasoned salt, garlic, parsley, and a dash of cayenne, and it is the best popcorn seasoning. You have to try this. Then for our sweet side, I put melted butter, mini marshmallows, and I take my Brach's peanut clusters, I crush them up, and then I put those on the popcorn, and mixing this all together with the marshmallows and the melted butter is just the best. So set up your DIY popcorn bar, and everyone can mix and match what they like. It's a lot of fun to do. And I just want to point out here that Carter gets his own separate snacks because popcorn is a choking hazard to babies and toddlers. Now for our DIY drink, we're gonna make some spiced cider. This is really easy to do. I just start with some apple slices. I have 2 different types of apples. Then I also add in some orange slices, and I fill up my pot with about 4 cups of apple juice. Then I add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of allspice and some cinnamon sticks. Let this all simmer for about 10 minutes. It will make your whole house smell amazing. Then put it into your favorite mugs. I top it with some whipped cream and a cinnamon stick for garnish. And this is just such a nice, warming, cozy drink, perfect for a night in. Now to get the ultimate movie setup, what I like to do is arrange pillows and blankets on the floor and make a little cozy area to lay down. So I put my comforter, blankets, pillows. I get this fully decked out. In my opinion, this is the best setup to watch a movie. And this night we decided to watch Coco. Carter was so obsessed with it. And to me, honestly, this is my ideal night in.
I wanna take you out. Show you what I'm all about.
Now for some other ideas, something Ryan and I like to do is we'll order in our favorite restaurant takeout, and we'll recreate a little restaurant at home. With a kid, we don't get to go out to eat as often as we used to, so now we bring the restaurant experience to us. And I recently got these couples conversation cards because otherwise we just tend to talk about the same things, which is mostly just Carter. So these cards ask you questions, and it can spark really interesting, fun conversations. What movie relationship is most like ours? Chandler and Monica?
That's a TV show.
But don't you think Chandler and Monica?
Yeah. What's the biggest laugh we've shared?
Well, we had a good one the other night about Carter So Ryan farted.
Past gas.
Ryan passed wind, and Carter said, Dada go boop boop in diaper.
That's pretty funny. No, little man, I don't wear diapers. But...
Then we'll like to sit down and watch a movie, and I came up with a fun little DIY treatment that turned out so awesome. So now you could find these sheet masks anywhere, even at the dollar store, Target, wherever you shop, and you can put these anywhere on your body. It doesn't have to be on your face. So I use this to do a DIY hand and foot treatment. So I wrapped them around Ryan's hands, and then I put some socks on his hands, and I did my feet, and I let them sit while we were watching the movie. Afterwards, just wash your hands and they will be so soft.
I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. 'Cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been.
All right, so those are some of my favorite ideas for a cozy night in, which, let's be honest, those are the best nights. I would probably rather do that than anything. So thanks again to Brach for sponsoring this video, and be sure to use the link in the description box to check out all of Brach's candy and where you can find it near you. Thanks again, as always, for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.